Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just going to be doing a quick little tutorial with the Morphe 35U Gilded Desert Palette. And here's what the inside of this looks like. Just beautiful neutral tones. I guess I just should have started that out with like, okay everybody, like be prepared, this is going to be a neutral eye look, which I usually don't do. But today, I'm actually doing something related to being engaged and having a wedding in 2.5 months. Still don't have my dress, don't know what the hell I'm going to do. But that's okay. My fiance and I are actually going to try and do engagement photos. We're just going to be taking them ourselves because, one, photographers are just outrageously priced. We don't have that money, and two, we do a lot of photography stuff and he does videography stuff, so hopefully everything will work out and it'll look good, at least halfway decent for us, and we can at least have that done and then use those pictures to send out invitations, which we need to do in the next couple weeks. We'll see if that actually gets done. So I just kind of want to do a lighter look than I usually do, slightly smoky, because you know you want that sexy sultry look, but also not too much. So I'm going to, and yes, I have no idea what I'm doing. This is just kind of as I go. I'm going to start with the shade Getting Warmer, which is this shade right here in the crease. And hopefully not gonna have much fallout. That's a crap ton darker than I thought that it was gonna be. Like, I know some people hate on Morphe, but like their palettes, in my opinion, they perform well and you get a consistent, you know, formula throughout everything. Okay. Oh, it's hot, you guys. We all know, I'm sure y'all are sick of hearing it, I don't do hot weather. I hate it. Living in the Midwest, oh god, it sucks so bad. And we're gonna go out hiking today. It is cooler than usual, but gosh dang, in this house I might be a sloppy mess by the time this makeup is done, because like I can't have fans running and I am already burning up pretty bad, so it's gonna be a, oh gosh you guys, like I can just feel it getting hotter as I go. Like I feel like my soul is burning right now and I'm sweating like crazy. Like, I've got a little bit of highlighter on, but man, you guys, like, oh, I'm getting stressed out right now because my makeup's gonna be fucked by the time I'm done. Anyway, if you live somewhere nice, like on the East or West Coast, do not move to the Midwest. It sucks here. Okay, got that out of the way. Now, I'm just gonna do like a darker shade on the outer lid, and let's see, what do I want to do? What do I want to do? Like, I don't want it too dark, so I'm thinking I might go with the shade Mojave Moves. So it looks like a really pretty brown, not too dark. Just right. Is there such thing as a silent fan, you guys? Because I really need to invest in one. Just to have down here. Cause like it's just too hot to be comfortable. And I like filming, so you know, it'd just be nice if it would be like a little more cool. A little more of a pleasurable experience, I guess. Like, I cannot wait till fall, until the winter. So it'll be nice and cool down here and I can be like wearing a hoodie or a jacket and filming and just be like perfectly comfortable. It's gonna be amazing. And they're coming out with fall stuff in the stores. Like, fall is my favorite season, so I cannot wait for it to finally get here. Okay. So I need a lighter shade now. Trying to decide what I want to do. Like, I know the other day I used this shade, Lustrous Life. I actually think it was yesterday, now that I think about it. But I'm kind of, this shade, Gold Spark right here, it's kind of like calling me. Like, I want to try that. Just to see how it looks. So I'm kind of like, I want something lighter to kind of brighten up my eye, but not too much. That's really, really pretty. I like how that looks. I don't know. I feel like I have visions of how I want things to look, and then once I get started, it's like totally something different. But it usually all works out, so it's okay. Just the gold was just pulling me in. I just had to go for it. I might have to stop this and just go for a cool off break because I am like my whole body, I am just sweating. Really, really bad. Alright. I'm just going to touch up because I just went a little bit further than I really wanted to with that gold shade. So I just want to touch up just a smidge. Then I will be doing my lower lash line. I'm going to go throw on some mascara, maybe cool off a little because, yeah, I'm like, God, I'm just like sweating like a lot more than I feel like I should be right now. I mean, yeah, it's hot, but like I usually don't sweat like this. But I've also been feeling super dehydrated lately. Like, I feel like no matter what I do, I just feel like I just need to chug water. And I'm just like, I don't know. Just feel like my body's just kind of freaking out on me, and I'm not really sure what's... I've had some other weird health stuff going on that I don't really want to get into because I don't really know what's going on. But yeah, I've just... weird things have been happening. I don't know if it's my body's response to all the stress or what, but it's kind of getting scary. So I want to... I'm gonna go in with the shade in the Deep for the lower lash line. It just looks like a really, really pretty shade. Just looks like something that would go well with what I got going on. Alright. And now for the inner corner, I'm going to take this shade Serious Shine right here. It's a pretty, pretty shade. It's like more of a champagne-y, which is going to go really, really, really well with the gold. Okay. Now I want to just take that original brush that I used and just kind of blend everything in a little bit. And okay, I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I actually really, really like this. Like, I love colorful looks, but I've been doing neutral looks lately, and I really like how they look with my eyes. So here's everything finished. And again, this is just for my our engagement shoot. My hair is out of control, but it's hot, humid, and I have naturally curly, frizzy, crazy hair. So there's just, this cannot be tamed. Y'all, it doesn't matter what you do. There's just no taming it. This is just as good as it's gonna get. But anyway, I love the look I came up with. Here is the palette again, just the Morphe 35U Gilded Desert Palette. Sorry, my memory is not what it used to be. Here is the inside of the palette. Just beautiful, neutral look, but I really like how everything came out. So if y'all made it this far, thank you so much for watching this video. Please just leave a comment down below, like, how are you doing? How's the weather where you guys live? Have you tried out any amazing palettes lately? I'd love to hear about them. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.